Hi, welcome to our balcony room on the Pacific Encounter. Let's take a look around. Okay, so here's the entry. Obviously it's a little tight. It's a mirror right here, and then to the other side is the walk-in wardrobe, I guess you'd call it. We had to put most of our stuff on hangers and things because it was actually quite hard to fit clothes in here. There's no drawers or anything like that, just this tall cupboard here which has shelving and a safe inside it. This is like a sensor light that goes on and off when you're in this area, and in here, let's take a look, is the bathroom. This is a very small bathroom as you can see. Toilet behind me, sink over here with a couple of little shelves and stuff for all our toiletries. But the main tiny thing is this shower, which has a shower curtain. It's pretty small, and tried washing my hair in there a few times, and yeah, it's pretty difficult with the water spraying on your face. Okay, let's go back out and do the rest of the place. Let's walk through to the main bedroom area. So we have 4 people in this room. So we got 2 kids, 2 adults. Yep, so it's a bunk bed situation, kind of different, and yeah, pretty narrow through here. I'd say it would be narrow even with just a normal double or queen or whatever bed, but it's exceptionally narrow when you've got a bunk. So around here, what's this, the living area? So it's just got a desk and some drawers which got all our bits and pieces loaded in there so it doesn't look so messy. Balcony out here with 2 small children hanging out on it. Again, the depth of this balcony is kind of small. Like when we were on the Royal Caribbean cruise, I remember that having quite a bit of space, like you could lay down almost on it, and this one, yeah, just the space there is kind of small. We'll go out there in a sec. Yeah, so the bunks are obviously accessed by the ladders. The kids think it's cool, they like going up there, but I mean, you cannot watch the TV from the other bed, like in the back there. You obviously just can't see it, so it's only benefit really to the top bunks there. There is a fridge, so you can bring some drinks back with you from, I don't know, the restaurant or whatever. So this is a fridge in here. It's kind of, it's almost like a cooler. It's not very cold. Hey, it's sort of refrigerated. I don't know. I call it a cooler or a fridge, but it's not the coldest. Anyway, that's the fridge. One thing that we thought was weird was, see, this one has because this is a refurbed ship, so this has the Aussie PowerPoint here. But over here, it's sort of like they haven't totally updated everything. I don't know what those are, but
it's probably American because this was a Princess.
Yeah, it was
ship.
Princess Cruises before. And then this is really fancy, this, shadeless light. It's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, so kind of different. This TV, it's good that we have a TV, but it's very big in this room. You can almost whack your head on this corner when this is pulled out.
You can.
But yeah, I mean, it's good you can pull it out. But then this is like a massive obstacle. So kind of good and bad, I guess. Yeah, so I'm basically just comparing this to another balcony suite, balcony room we've stayed on Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. You can check that video out in this channel as well, and we'll put a link in the description below. So that just had more space generally in the living. Like it had a couch with a little pull-out bed sort of thing, and a heap of storage above the couch and the bed. It was just a better put together and more spacious room, and definitely a bigger balcony. They also had a kettle, so they did provide some more things in the room as well. So we would say that was a much better room to this room. But if you're happy to just have a room, and you're not going to be in it all the time, then this is definitely sufficient. But if you need a bit more space, I would recommend upgrading to a slightly bigger room, a mini suite or a suite. Yeah, because this feels quite tight in this room. Anyway, let's go check out the balcony. Okay, so yeah, this is the balcony. It literally has 2 little deck chairs and a little coffee table. It's super nice having a balcony though, like compared to, let's say, an interior, you have no view. This just gives you that big wide open space, so it does make the room feel more spacious. So yeah, that's always a bonus to have that. So hopefully that gave you a good idea of what the P&O Pacific Encounter balcony room is like. If you'd like to check out any other videos from us, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!